The Mitsubishi car factory is a massive complex, bustling with activity. Workers in blue uniforms move swiftly through the assembly lines, carefully piecing together each vehicle with precision and skill. The air is filled with the sound of machinery whirring and tools clanking as the cars take shape before my eyes. I watch as the chassis of the cars glide down the conveyor belt, each one a blank canvas waiting to be transformed into a sleek and modern vehicle. The workers attach doors, windows, and wheels with expert hands, working in perfect harmony to bring the cars to life. The factory is a symphony of efficiency, with every worker playing their part in the production process. From welding to painting to quality control, each step is crucial in ensuring that the cars meet Xiaomi's high standards of excellence. As I walk through the factory, I am struck by the sheer scale of the operation. Rows upon rows of cars in various stages of completion stretch out before me, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the factory workers. In the end, what emerges from the Mitsubishi car factory is not just a vehicle, but a symbol of innovation and progress. Each car represents the culmination of countless hours of labor and ingenuity, a testament to the power of human creativity and collaboration. And as I leave the factory, I am filled with a sense of awe and admiration for the incredible work being done within its walls. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.